Alright guys, so for today's recipe I'll be making a delicious bacon wrapped shrimp. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? Here are some of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. I have shrimp, honey barbecue sauce, bacon, bamboo skewers, adobo seasoning. Alright, let's start off by slicing our bacon. We're just going to cut it in half. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of the adobo seasoning. Mix it in. These are extra large. They're already peeled, cleaned, deveined, with the tail on. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna grab one of my shrimp, a piece of bacon, and we're just gonna wrap the bacon around the shrimp. So once your shrimp and bacon is wrapped together, then you want to grab your skewer, your bamboo skewer, and just slide it right in, right through. Alright, and we're going to repeat the same steps with the other shrimp and bacon. Once again, wrap it around, wrap your bacon around the shrimp. Bacon wrapped shrimp, baby. Alright. Bamboo skewer right through. Alright guys, so once the skillet is nice and hot, we're just going to add some olive oil. Then I'm just going to add my bacon wrapped shrimp. So once our bacon is nice and crispy, then we'll go ahead and flip it over. As you can see, the bacon is nice and crispy. I'm just gonna add my barbecue sauce. Just gonna brush it on real quick with a brush. Make sure the shrimp and the bacon is evenly coated. Nicely glazed. It's looking good. As you can see, this is a super easy recipe to make. It's not hard. This right here is like the best of both worlds, If you're a big fan of bacon and seafood, this is the perfect recipe for you. And once again, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. Please remember to like, share, leave a comment, whether it's good or bad. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. This way you'll be notified every time I post a new video.